Hello, welcome to the Daily English Show. Today's mistake is this. Should've, could've, would've. Wrong, wrong, wrong. I should have gone to the party. Wrong. This should be, I should have gone to the party, or I should have gone to the party. Why would someone write or say should of? Well, because when you contract should have, it becomes should have, which sounds like should of, but it's not the same. So it doesn't matter so much when you're speaking, but be careful when you're writing. I'm so annoyed I didn't go to the party. I should have gone. I could have gone. I would have been able to go if I'd have finished writing that report on time, but I didn't, so... Kia ora, this is Stick News. Yesterday, a 29-year-old woman became the first Korean to fly into space.
According to Wikipedia, the Korean government paid the Russian government $25 million in agreement to support the first Korean astronaut in space. Lee So-yeon left Earth yesterday in a rocket with 3 boys, 2 Russian crew members and an American space tourist. She took some kimchi and 1,000 fruit flies with her. During her mission, she will carry out 18 science experiments, including monitoring fruit flies and dust storms, and taking photos of her face.
And that was Stick News for Wednesday, the 9th of April. Kia ora. Today I'd like to talk about the kitchen sink. The kitchen sink is the thing that you wash the dishes in, and it's also part of a couple of expressions. Everything but the kitchen sink, and everything including the kitchen sink. Someone asked me recently about Hillary Clinton's kitchen sink strategy. They were asking, what does the kitchen sink have to do with politics? Well, let's have a look at those expressions. I found a good explanation at goenglish.com. Everything but the kitchen sink is what you brought with you when you included almost everything you could think to bring. For example, wow, your suitcase is huge. What do you have in there? Everything but the kitchen sink? So basically, everything but the kitchen sink means almost everything, and everything including the kitchen sink means absolutely everything. Now about Hillary Clinton, this is from back in March. Last week, with commendable honesty, Hillary Clinton's campaign announced that in a frantic push to save their candidate from defeat at the hands of Barack Obama, they were going to throw everything, including the kitchen sink, at him. So they were going to try absolutely everything they could to win, and that became known as her kitchen sink strategy. If you ever see someone struggling with a lot of stuff, try saying to them, wow, where's the kitchen sink? Have any New Zealanders gone to space yet? What was the first country? Russia? Do you want to go to space? No, why not? But it would be so exciting to be in space. No, I don't think so. I just checked the list and I don't think New Zealand was on there. Yeah, well, the Soviet Union. No. Well, I don't want to study all that stuff that you'd have to study for a start. And the whole process seems like it'd be a bit of a pain in the ass. Maybe, but Earth's exciting enough for me.
A spacecraft in the shape of a tube that is driven by a stream of gases let out behind it when fuel is burned inside. A. Astronaut. B. Rocket. C. Tourist. D. Experiment. E. Monitor. Rocket. A person whose job involves travelling and working in a spacecraft. Astronaut. To observe and check over a period of time. Monitor. A scientific test that is carried out in order to study what happens and to gain new knowledge. Experiment. A person who is travelling or visiting a place for pleasure. Tourist.
And that was the Daily English Show. See you tomorrow. Bye.